the IPL 2025 fever continues and today's match promises fireworks as the defending champions Kolkata Knight Riders take on last season's finalists Sunrisers Hyderabad in what could be a crucial clash in match 15 of the season. It's all happening at the iconic Eden Gardens on April 3rd. Let's dive into how both teams fared in their last matches, the potential changes for this clash, and all the details you need ahead of the game. Both teams are coming off tough losses. KKR faced a heavy defeat against Mumbai Indians, with debutant Ashwini Kumar stunning them with a spell of 4 for 24. Under pressure, skipper Ajinkya Rahane will now hope to inspire his team to their second win of the season against familiar rivals SRH. On the other hand, SRH also stumbled against Delhi Capitals, falling short in a high-stakes battle where Mitchell Starc's brilliant 5 for 35 sealed the win for DC. Both sides are looking to bounce back. KKR might tweak their strategy, especially after their batting and bowling inconsistencies. Expect some changes in the bowling department, possibly giving more chances to spinners like Varun Chakravarti. For SRH, their aggressive batting approach could face a tactical shift. The team will rely on the pace duo of Pat Cummins and Mohammad Shami to exploit Eden Gardens conditions. Now let's take a look at the probable 11 for both teams. For Kolkata Knight Riders, Quinton de Kock, Sunil Narine, Angakrish Raghuvanshi, Ajinkya Rahane, Venkatesh Iyer, Rinku Singh, Andre Russell, Ramandeep Singh, Harshit Rana, Varun Chakravarti and Spencer Johnson. For Sunrisers Hyderabad, Abhishek Sharma, Travis Head, Ishan Kishan, Nitish Kumar Reddy, Aniket Verma, Henrik Klaasen, Abhinav Manohar, Pat Cummins, Harshal Patel, Mohammad Shami and Jishan Ansari. In terms of the head-to-head record, Kolkata Knight Riders and Sunrisers Hyderabad have faced each other in 28 matches. In these games, KKR have secured 19 victories, whereas SRH have won on 9 occasions. The match will take place at the iconic Eden Garden, which has been typically more favourable to batters in the IPL. The surface in Kolkata is generally flat, which provides true bounce, making it ideal for easier stroke play. And pacers can make use of extra bounce to make an early impact. Despite its batting-friendly conditions, Kolkata's pitch still isn't as flat as Bengaluru and Hyderabad's. The weather in Kolkata will be partly cloudy on April 3rd with a 6% chance of precipitation. Temperatures will soar around 37 degrees Celsius during the day, which will drop to 27 degrees Celsius at night. Wind speeds will range between 10 to 15 km per hour, whereas the humidity levels should not exceed 70%. Both teams are desperate for a win, making this clash a must-watch. Will KKR find their rhythm or will SRH bounce back with their aggressive style? Stay tuned and don't miss the action live on your screens and keep watching Cricket Next for more cricket updates.